To check your transaction history on United Bank Limited Switzerland, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit the United Bank Limited Switzerland website and enter your login credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to the account summary. Once logged in, look for the account summary or account section on the dashboard. Click on it to view your accounts. Step 3. Select the relevant account. From the list of accounts displayed, select the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. Step 4. Access transaction history. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Review and download. Review your transaction history as needed. If you wish to keep a record, look for download or export option to save the history in your preferred format. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history with United Bank Limited Switzerland. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.